Bonjour, and welcome back to the show. Okay, wait, that's my that's my Nanaboozhoo voice. Let me get into character. Hello, everyone. My name is Michael Lyons, and I'm the creator of the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. If you haven't seen the show before, this won't make any sense. But I'm just testing out this camera, walking around the studio here. Let's call this the behind the scenes episode of BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. Let's see what should be. This whole back wall is one big green screen. On our show, we do a lot of teleporting and going to the moon and the holodeck and stuff. And the reality is we film it all on a green screen, much like your favorite Avengers movie. But so this is our green screen. I won't show that. These are the lights. This is where we film the live stream off this laptop. Take 2.
All right, this is Last Dance with Mary Jane by Tom Petty.
She grew up in an Indiana town, had a good-looking mama who never was around. But she grew up tall and she grew up right with some Indiana boys on an Indiana night.
Wiggle, wiggle, hey,
She came here at the age of 18, blew the boys away, it was more than they'd seen. We were introduced and we both started grooving. She said, I dig it, baby, but I gotta keep moving on. I got a mahjong. Last dance with Mary Jane, one more time to kill the pain. And I feel summer creeping in, and I'm tired of this town again. I don't know what I've been told. You never slow down, you never grow old. I'm tired of screwing up, I'm tired of going down. I'm tired of myself and I'm tired of this town. Whoa, my, whoa, hell yes. Gotta put on that jingle dress, buy me a drink, sing me a song, take me as I am, 'cause I can't stay long. Last dance with Mary Jane, one more time to kill the pain. And I feel summer creeping in, and I'm tired of this town again. Got a mahjong. Ladies
phone. This painting. This is a cartoon I did of I was making fun of a Picasso painting, I guess. I'm not really making fun of. This is my favorite Picasso. It's the old man in or whatever. Old man playing guitar. I forget what it's called. But then I painted a Paul Stanley Iceman instead of the old acoustic he was playing. But anyway, let's see. Here's a Dawei-gun. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. Dawei-gun. Dawei-gun. This is a drum. This was a gift I got from a man called Jumbo.
I used to sit up at night just so I could watch ya. I wrote on my bedroom wall, Nanaboozhoo loves Natasha. Oh,
That's a cartoon I did years ago. You know, if I had any common sense, I'd flip this camera around. Okay, here, let me talk about this. This is a cartoon I did years ago. It's sort of a self-portrait Sharpie marker on white tag board. But it's a drawing of me, more or less, when I had a goatee. And I've always liked it. It's got a lot of hidden meanings in it. Stuff came out that I didn't even understand when I drew it. This is me stepping out of the universe. If you watch the show, you'll know I have my doubts about outer space.
Gitchimanadu. Odapanan niwi asema. Great Spirit, accept my tobacco. Miigwech ka iji kakina keku ka iji chikean nungum. Thank you for everything that you do today. Gitchimanadu, Great Spirit. Taka we tuka wishin ando minawe nungum. Please help me to speak well today. Miigwech ka iji bamadazian. Thank you for my life. Dash, miigwech ka bisandawiyeg. And thank you for listening. Apeyenge. Amen.
Here's a cartoon I did of David Bowie. As Jareth, the Goblin King, stop, look what I'm offering you. Your dreams. I ask for so little. Just fear me, love me, do as I ask, and I shall be your slave. All right. My arm is killing me. So, let's see what this looks like. Thank you for watching Behind the Scenes with Michael Lyons of the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO live stream podcast.
And finally, let's do a song by the Counting Crows.
Oh.
In a long December, well, there's reason to believe maybe this year will be better than the last. I can't remember the last thing that she said as you were leaving. Now the days go by so fast, and it's one more day up in the canyon. One more night in Hollywood. And if you think that I could be forgiven, I wish you would. Na 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 na, yeah. The smell of hospitals in winter, and the feeling that it's all a lot of oyster and no pearl. But all at once you look across the crowded room to see the way light attaches to a girl. And it's one more day up in the canyon, one more night in Hollywood. If you think that I could be forgiven, I wish you would. Na 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 na, yeah. Drove up to Hillside Manor sometime after 2 a.m. and talked a little while about the year. I guess the winter makes you laugh a little slower, makes you talk a little lower about the things you couldn't show her. And it's been a long December, and there's reason to believe maybe this year will be better than the last. I can't remember times I tried to tell myself to hold on to these moments as they pass. And you have been watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Michael Lyons, and this is the lovely and the talented Natasha.
BOOZHOO.
And I will see you again. Giga
Giga
Waba
Waba
Min.
Min.
Minowa.
Minowa.
Hoa.
Hoa. No, 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 no. Ain't no woo-hoo. Give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Giga Waba Min.
All right. See ya.